All right, Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho. Somebody's been a good guy this year because there is and it's not me, there is a CF Moto 450 IBEX. My friend just got one yesterday. And he says, "Do you want to ride it?" And I go, "Well, yeah, let me come on by." So anyway, hopefully we'll take this for a ride. I got a little 2025 T-Race sitting back there. And yeah, just I do a short little video. Yeah, very nice. You got a smoking deal. I was actually thinking maybe I need to make my credit rating better and buy one of these things. So, but yeah, smoking deal from the dealer here. And yeah, he's already got his number on it. This is AZ Dual Sport. And yeah, he was on ordering some parts for it today. He's already got the mirrors on it. And yeah, nice looking. I think he has a center stand ordered for it and put on the magnetic bag. And yeah, there'll be more to follow. So anyway, thought I'd do a quick little, yeah, look at that. Still has the paper plate on it. So of course he picked it up yesterday. So anyway, yeah, very cool. Yeah, wouldn't that make nice bookends in the garage? Huh? Yeah, so all right, let's see if we can bang on the door here. Widget guy up. Oh, well, you want me to sit on it? Well, all right. It's not really mine, but he did say I could ride it. So. Oh, she feels good. Look at that. Feet on the ground. Who's got my box in the way? How am I supposed to do anything? Yeah, he's taking down Christmas stuff, but yeah, this feels good. I actually like this. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, so yeah, very neat. You never know. May get rid of all the thumpers and just be a two-bike widget. Nice. Oh, Dual Sport AZ. Oh man. Yeah. Well, he's half naked. Yeah, I figured, well, you know, I might as well drag my foot over the thing. So very cool. Yeah, I'll take this thing for a ride. He wasn't naked. He's just thought he was Hulk the Barbarian. So all right. How's it going? You can just put that by the door. I'm just getting ready to leave. I don't live here. Yeah. See the respect you get when you get a IBEX450. Called me sir. Yeah. Had I been on a KLR, he would have just threw it at me and said, "Deal with it." So, old fart. All right. So yeah, we're gonna see how this is going. Yeah, you just put the double takes on today. I like it. Color dash. I wouldn't have anything less. And no, don't get jealous. I'm just riding it. I'm not trading. No. Okay. We're neutral. Okay. And this is the start button. That'd be wrong. Those are the hazards. Let's go this one. I thought that was the red, but then I had flashbacks of a DR650. Shame on me. Shame on me. Sounds good. Clutch is nothing. Jeez. And he's already got a scratch and he had that tank bag on it. A little buff. All right. Yeah, he got a smoking deal on this thing. And it was enough to where I was considering going, well, you know, I haven't taken a loan out on anything in like years and years. Actually, since I've been divorced. So maybe I'll just take a loan out and have one of these. Sell the DRs and the KLRs and anything that ends with R, you know. So it was like Obi-Wan's neighborhood, all decorated up real nice. Yeah, it feels good. Feels light. I think I like the feet on the ground. I think I would do the rally seat, but yeah, this seat is, You know, it wouldn't be a first, you know, a must-do item. And he said under 6. So we're just doing the riding impression. And let's, no one around. Let's go this way. Yeah, it feels good. I'm gonna move his mirrors. Sorry, Dan. All right. Yeah, break-ins suck. You know, you feel this thing wants to just go way past that 6,000 RPM. All right. You know, layout feels good. You know, I'm a bigger guy, maybe some bar risers, but yeah, layout feels really good. Seat's really nice. Look at that, she winked at me. Ah, I wouldn't get that on the Tenere. Yeah, feels good. Steering's light. Yeah, this feels really good. I like it's like kind of stretched out. It's not like, you know, up in your face type thing. Nice. Okay, now that's 6th gear. Okay. So 6th gear at 6,000, which is break-in, is 64. Yeah, that's not bad. You know, I think 15.2 sprocket, everyone says that works really nice, so. Yeah, this feels really nice. Let's see, signals, got it. Everything's so brand new. This is the newest bike I've ridden. I'm such a liar. Well, yeah, it is. It's a 2026. I was thinking, I'm such a liar, man. I got the 2025 Tenere. But I bought that at 1,300 miles on the clock. So, yeah, nice, nice, nice. Yeah, beautiful day, 70 degrees. Yeah, motor feels really good. You can have a lot of fun on this. You know, and this would be like it's almost like the V-Strom in a way, my 650. And I'm sure it'd be pretty darn close once you got the gearing switched. Yeah, seating's good. It's not too bad. Yeah, a little seat, but yeah, the seat's actually pretty comfy. And everything's kind of in the right place, you know. I like having the dash out there, and yeah. Yeah, I just got the DRs pretty fixed up. I'd hate to sell them, but yeah, this might be a better doodad for me to ride on the trails. And it's beautiful out here, isn't it? I'm not sure where I am, but yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, nobody tell Dual Sport AZ I took his bike off-road before he did. But we have to test the standing up. Standing up actually feels pretty darn good. Feels nice, feels nice. Uh-oh, I didn't want to get this off-road. I'll have to take my t-shirt off and get the dirt off the tires. All right, yeah. Nice. Well, you know, if I drop it, I'll buy it. So, and then, yeah, really nimble. Nice. Yeah, remember, bum's the word, okay? So, he doesn't watch my channel anyway, so that's how smart he is. Okay. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, you know, I mean, once you set it up for yourself, like if I got the bar risers, and it would feel fantastic. It'd be really comfortable. And that's what a lot of it is just setting it up for yourself. All right, let's take it back, huh? Okay, I have to. This is just nicer. Wow. We've been friends for thousands of years, so yeah, he won't mind. Sorry, Dan. Yeah, it feels really good off-road. Man, you can have a lot of fun just punking around. Wow, this is really nice. Get some good hand guards on. Yeah. You know, these are okay. These do good for a while. You can still have a lot of fun with those hip brush guards. Suspension is a little sharp on the, you know, like these little black snake things. I forgot what they call them. Tar snakes. I feel them a little bit more in my Tenere, but who knows what the tire pressure is and who knows where the suspension's at. So definitely not a deal breaker. Like I said, all this stuff is just kind of, you know, adjustments and raising the bars and, you know, just easy stuff. You wouldn't have to put a lot of money in this to have a lot of fun. And it's brand new and it's got tubeless. Wow, shifting's good. This clutch. Look, that's all it takes. Wow. Beautiful truck. So, oh yeah, this is fun. You know, it's one of those bikes, kind of like the DR or stuff like that, where it just brings the fun and joy back into riding. You know, it's not too much. You know, it's not 1,000 cc's, 100 horsepower. It's just a joyful bike to ride. Yeah, definitely do the 15 tooth, but yeah, you got to get past the braking. Like I said, he rode it home from the dealer yesterday. It's been sitting. And I'm not sure which is his street. About that one. Because I don't come in from this way. Yeah, very nice. Well, thank you, Dual Sport AZ. Let me ride your new toy. And yeah, I was swerving to miss a car, and next thing I knew, I was a car that had come in my lane. That's okay. This is the story. I was swerving to miss a car that had come into my lane, and I was up on the dirt, and then I got right back off as soon as I realized I had soiled the tires. Yeah, that's what it is. Nice. Yeah, light. Yeah, this is a fun bike. You know, so many bikes nowadays are either not really soft or they're just, you know, like KTM race machine type stuff. But excuse me. But yeah, this one's just a fun bike. Shift is buttery smooth. Shifts way better than the Tenere. Nice. Oh, that's a really lifted, ugly thing. So. God, the clutch is so nice. The power band's just sweet. Man, the steering is light and nimble, very flickable. You know, it's all stock tires, stock everything. Yesterday, this was sitting on the showroom floor. Ah, there we go. I never came in that way before, but like I said, I come in from the that direction. All right, there's the mighty Tenere. No, T-Ray. No, I'm just riding it. I'm not trading, okay? He's so upset. So upset. Teneres are really sensitive. They're just one-owner bikes. They're sensitive. You never know what they're think when I get on another bike and ride. Feet up over. There we go. Sweet. Yeah, nice. All right, how's it going, big bag? How you doing, buddy? Huh? Yeah. Oh man, good stuff, huh? See Dad's bike? Yeah, yeah. Don't tell him there's dirt on the tires. Don't tell him. You'll save that for me. Okay, I don't want him to know I took it off road. There was a little bit of desert and I kind of went in. Oh no, I'm sorry. The story was supposed to be a car swerved in front of me and I went out into the desert to avoid ruining your bike. It's fun. It's a fun bike. It's just cool. Shifting's buttery smooth. Index finger on the clutch. Yeah. You know, and I'm just taller and stuff, but, you know, every bike you got to set up. But, yeah, for me, I just raise the bars and put a wing on it. And, yeah, you really don't have to do a lot to this thing to have a lot of good time on it. Nice purchase, Dan. Oh, yeah, it's fun just the way it is. Yeah. All right. Widget, Dual Sport AZ, signing off.